guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a review on what's inside in my Coach Lora bucket bag. So you guys can see, this one is made up of this beautiful pebbled leather in color Pollen. So I believe I got this last year during summer, and this is my all-time favorite summer bag and also my favorite in my Coach collection as well. This one came in with this beautiful pewter hardware. This one is a top handle strap. This one right here, as you guys can see, this is actually a chain strap, which is also a pewter hardware. This is from my Coach Cassie 19. So I just put this one right here because I think this chain looks great with the bag itself. Wow, I still can't get over it how beautiful this purse is after a year. And I use this a lot on summer. So in fact, I used this yesterday and today. So this one has stuff inside. This is just pretty much what I have here. So I mean, today I went out today, so I said, well, I wore this bag and might as well let's just do a review and just let you see what's inside in my purse. So anyway, once again, this one is made up of pebbled leather, shiny leather, and this one right here is actually the detailed right around the corner. I'll give you a closer look right there. That is actually, they call it a whip stitch detailed, which is actually cute. And this one right here at the middle, this one is the Coach iconic turtleneck closure right here. And there is a pocket around this whip stitch detailed around it, which I never used, because once your purse is stuffed, then yeah, I think you could not really pretty much you cannot put anything in here, but maybe you could put a paper or whatever, because yeah, so you guys can see right now this one is stuffed, so when you open it, yeah, it wouldn't really allow you to put anything inside because you already have right here on the bucket. So anyway, okay, so this one has this lovely cinch closure right there. You could cinch it when you close it, and oh my gosh, this one right here, this tassel is absolutely gorgeous. And when I got this, I said, oh wow, I wish I could remove this tassel so I could use this in any of my purses. So this one is a really nice embellishment from the purse itself. Absolutely gorgeous. So let me just show you the side of it like that, and also on the other side as well. This one has a long strap, so I just attach this strap right here so that you guys would know that this one came in with a crossbody strap, which I never used. So let me just remove this one right here. I am a top handle person, so basically I wear this purse using the top handle, as well as this one to put it on my shoulder. But since this one actually really looks so cute and really accentuates the purse itself, so I just carry it with this lovely top handle, and it is stunning. It is stunningly beautiful. So anyway, the inside is lined with this beautiful leather, which is also in pebbled leather. I'm not sure what color this is. Maybe more likely an ox blood color, the inside. But it is in a dark colorway. And yeah, the outside is light and the inside is really dark. That's crazy. So anyway, so this one right here at the bottom, my most favorite part, this one surprisingly has this feet. This four lovely protective feet is also one of my favorite feature on this bag, because yeah, when you lay it on the table anywhere, you're not going to worry too much about your leather gets dirty or anything like that. And that's just another thing that I love about this purse. I believe I paid around $200 in this, and I'm pretty sure I got this during the summer sale. I was so excited and I was so happy that finally she's here. I mean, it took me really a while to get this piece, guys. I have to be honest with you. So anyway, let's take a look at inside. So all you have to do is just pull this opening right here, and this is the situation of my purse inside. Pretty much stuff. So what do I have here? So let me start with, okay, I have my sunglasses. So this is my sunglasses case. This is by Campo Marzio, Roma in 1933, Italian design, genuine leather. I mean, I was at Bloomingdale's and I saw this. They were on sale around $10. And I said, like, when I look at inside, this one is lined with microfiber. And I said, wow, I think this would work at my Louis Vuitton sunglasses. It's because, I mean, this would work perfectly in my purse because it's very light and actually helps a little bit to protect your sunglasses because this one is really soft inside. So anyway, this is the sunglasses that I am currently wearing right now. This one is absolutely gorgeous. My all-time favorite. Love the detail of this sunglasses right there in the front. This one is gorgeous. Love it. So that's the first item that I've got. And then next, okay, next we have, obviously I got my phone with me. This is an iPhone SE. Next I have, this is actually my business card holder. I've already started using it. So there are some business cards inside. Next I have the 6 key holder. This is from Louis Vuitton. Next I have this is a coin purse. This is from Coach. I have some coins in here. I love it because this one is so compact. Next, I also have this one. This one is just my agenda. So this is the smallest agenda that I have. I got this. Yeah, this is from Hermes. So you guys can see. Oh my gosh, I still have those protective. So this one is in capuchin color. I love it because this is so tiny. I could just easily put it in any of my purse. I love the size of these, and also I love the beautiful pop of color. Next is okay, so this is the dust bag for my Louis Vuitton sunglasses. So even though I don't put it here because I know if you put your sunglasses here, there's zero protection at all, and I brought this one with me just in case if I wanted to wipe the lint or fingerprints from my sunglasses. So before I put it inside here, I always wipe it. So that is just the use of that. But in terms of like protecting your sunglasses, well, I don't think so. I don't think this one helps protect a little bit, but just a little tiny bit. So that's what I have there. I have my mint, Tic Tac mint. This is a fresh mint. This is my all-time favorite mint. I also have my, what do I have here? So this is actually my, this is actually a cosmetic pouch. So this is a Chanel mirror right here. I also have a Louis Vuitton perfume. So I'm wondering what's right now. I am currently using the Etoile Filante. That is my most favorite, and I will highly recommend it to everybody. You know, sometimes I have a little bit of like a sinus problems, but this is the only one, and Samsung, and that actually works for me from Louis Vuitton. That does not irritate my nose. So this one is my Louis Vuitton perfume. Next, I have right here, this one is my lipstick. So this is from Christian Dior. This is my favorite shade. Beautiful, lovely shade. So that's just pretty much what I have in here. I don't really carry a lot of cosmetics because it's pandemic. I have to wear mask all the time, even though I am fully vaccinated, but still I wear mask wherever I go. And yeah, I mean, I don't even bring powders anymore because there's no reason to retouch, or even with my lipstick or things like that, because I am still wearing a mask. So what else do I have here? I have my AirPods right there. And then this one, okay, this is the last piece that I have in my bucket bag. And yeah, it's empty. I mean, this purse could fit a ton of things, very light, and it is beautiful. It's gorgeous, stunningly beautiful. You have a lot of options. Use the cross as a crossbody. Use as this top handle here, and a shoulder bag as well. So anyway, this is the last item, and I used this for quite some time now. And I mean, I don't know, but this became my favorite ever. This one is made up. This is a belt bag, and this one is made up of gloved leather inside and out, and I'm going to show you what I have inside. So these are some of the card holders that I have here, some of my most used cards, my driver's license, and some cash as well right here. And this one it could fit a ton of things. So I have three card holders in here, and some cards, loose cards, and cash. So I really find this one so useful. It could fit a ton of things. And yeah, see these cards right here that I've got? And then yeah, at the back. So, I mean, it just fits perfectly right here. And I love it. And yeah, so anyway, those are, see, look at how much I got in this purse. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's all up to you guys if you wanted to stuff this purse. I mean, it actually depends on what you actually needed. So I went for a trip for a little bit, for like a couple of hours. So I carried these things. I went to check out some other stuff at the store. And yeah, just relaxing. And yeah, these are the items currently that could actually fit in here. I don't know this year if Coach would bring this bucket bag. I mean, if they would come up with more colors. I know last year there's a green color, there is a chalk always, and a black as well. Those are excellent colors. But I don't know, for some reason I said I'm probably gonna have to wait till they put the one on sale. And it went on sale, but it actually got sold out pretty fast because the price is pretty good. It's around $200. It's highly affordable. So I missed to purchase one more, and if I could, I would get the black color. And yeah, this is my all-time favorite summer bag. It is a Lora bucket bag in color Pollen. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend. Bye.